back instead of just 2. But the penalty for contact with another car, even though it is down to just 2 seconds, that is still very extreme. And it seems to me that those that can maximize their start, maybe there's something you can do to build a little bit of a defensive mode into the car to take away the optimal line, to take away the passing opportunities. And I think that's going to have a lot to do with who's ultimately successful in the next round. But it's just conjecture at this point. We really don't have much data to go off of.
Yeah, I mean, it seems what you are saying is an obvious statement that if you are in the lead, it will be easier. But, again, we just don't know. That's going to be part of the excitement about what happens on Monday. We want to have our moderators post in chat the exact time of when that is happening. So no matter where you are in the world, we hope you join us on Monday for the round of 16, because we've got competitors from all over the world representing many countries in that round, and it'll just be exciting to see who survives. We'll be taking the best 3 out of the round of 16 to actually then race all of them head-to-head for the championship. That race will be broadcast during reInvent, so you'll be able to see the results of that race there. But the top 6 winners actually all walk away with cash prizes.
That's right. So $10,000 to the winner, $5,000 to second, $2,000 to third, and then fourth, fifth, and sixth each bring home $1,000 as well. That's the way the purse is paid out. How about this lap, though, from Rogue? It was clean. No box contacts, no off tracks, and he breaks the 30-second threshold. He will not be facing Roscomp 1 as it stands now. Rogue jumps up to second, and JPMC now 1-2 on the leaderboard.
Yeah, which means Yi Li can't race again. Yi Li is now going to be stuck in the number 4 position. Roscomp now knows who they're going to be facing. Yi Li knows they're going to be facing Roscomp. So we are now actually setting our final grid. But congratulations to Rogue for certainly improving the seed they're going to get. Their assignments are going to get. Can Rogue pull out one more and jump the final spot? It's only half a second difference between Rogue's time that we just saw and Ace Hyderabad, and there's still a minute left. If we get a couple clean laps in, this might threaten even the position number 1.
Plenty of time still to come, but as it stands, with the second seed out of Group 4, Rogue would face the third seed from Group 1, which is Debro. So that would be the matchup, at least provisionally, but that can all change because Ernesto is still to go and can knock Rogue down. And if that was the case, then whoever ends up as the third seed here would face, let's see, the top seed will face Jaffe, who was 4th in Group 1. And it looks like Yoakum would be the second seed out of Group 1. So that's a really tough one to draw also. But I guess you could say that about everybody at this stage of the competition. There are no easy outs when you make it to the round of 16.
No, and we actually have Yoakum right now Yoakum. Yoakum is in chat right now watching his racers to try to see who they're going to match up against in round number 1. So shout out to the many racers that are already sitting in the clubhouse as they try to strategize as we go into this unknown format. So shout out Yoakum, glad to see you're here. As we come to the close, it looks like Rogue will not be able to improve beyond a massive improvement of jumping from the number 4 spot into the second spot.
It just puts into context what a great lap Ace had in that first round. 28.7 is 0.6 of a second clear of what his teammate Rogue just did a moment ago, and that's good.